What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be sharing a complete guide how to set up the shipping and the shipping as a whole in Shopify. For that the process is very simple. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So number one thing is understanding shipping related glossary. So number one is shipping carriers. So which channels you are going to use in order to ship. For example, that could be DHL, UPS, and other courier services. So number second is type of shipping rates. So there are three different types of shipping rates. Number one is flat shipping rate, which is a flat for every sort of device, every sort of shipping. So that is standard shipping rate. Then free shipping rates. And then number third is calculated shipping rates based on the UPS, USP, or any courier company that you're using. So number third option is shipping labels. So shipping labels are the identification labels that specify the owner of the package. That label contains a set of information which helps carriers ship order to the right person. Generally, shipping label contains the following piece of information: receipt name, address, and phone number, the sender address, and a barcode. So what is the general shipping rates, then the test profiles. So the number four step is shipping profiles. So what you're gonna do is to shipping profile help sellers create product-based shipping rules so that they can offer accurate shipping prices. In simple words, you can use shipping profiles to set shipping rates of specific products and charge a different amount for them based on the distances. So that's how it goes. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.